Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify TikTok trends for US storefront products. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Navigate to the Discover tab at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type keywords related to your product or niche. Observe the trending videos that appear in the search results. Look closely at the number of views and engagement metrics on these videos. Identify any hashtags associated with the trends you find. Click on these hashtags to explore more content related to them. Pay attention to the creators who are consistently posting about these trends. Analyze the comments section for viewer feedback and trends in consumer sentiment. Next, cross-reference these trends with other platforms like Instagram and Twitter. Search for similar product-related hashtags on these platforms. Take note of any recurring themes or products gaining traction. Utilize tools like TikTok Analytics if you have a business account. This can provide insights on traffic sources and popular content in your niche. Once you've gathered your findings, compile a list of trending products. Assess their potential relevance to your US storefront. Finally, make data-driven decisions on which products to promote. This will help ensure your offerings align with current consumer interests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.